refers to a concept where information is structured and linked in a way that machines can understand. In language learning, it can be applied to create interconnected and meaningful resources. So, for example, the Semantic Web technologies, it can enhance language learning platforms by providing more contextually relevant content, personalized recommendations, and improved language understanding through the linked data.
In the context of language learning, one of the key features of the Semantic Web that contribute to its role as a Web 3.0 tool is first, personalization and adaptability. Semantic technologies can support adaptive learning environments that tailor content to individual learner needs. By understanding the semantic context of a learner's progress, the system can recommend personalized exercises, suggest relevant vocabulary, and adapt the difficulty level of content to optimize the learning experience. And the second one, interconnected data and resources. The Semantic Web promotes the use of linked data, enabling seamless connections between different pieces of information. In the context of language learning, this interconnectedness can enhance access to diverse language resources such as dictionaries, language courses, and cultural information.
As a future teacher, we need to know that the students' abilities are different. Same goes as their preferred learning method. One can be good in bodily kinesthetic, while the other one would be better with visual special learning, because that way they can learn effectively, and we as a teacher can easily attract them according to their preferences. So how Semantic Web has been used successfully in English learning? There are 3 ways to use Semantic Web in English learning. The first one is semantic mapping, second is teaching semantic, and the third is linked data. So today I'm going to focus on the first way, which is semantic mapping. I believe this way will be very helpful for your students because it is more interactive and engaging, especially for visual special learners. Semantic mapping is a visual strategy that helps students connect words and concepts. It involves creating a diagram that shows the relationships between words and concepts. Teacher can create interactive timeline, map, and mind map and graph to help students visualize and understand better on what they are learning.
I'm Hima here. So today I would like to speak about potential benefits and drawbacks of using Semantic Web 3.0. So I'm going to talk about 2 advantages and 1 drawback. So what are the advantages? The first one is increased data privacy. It allows learners to manage their own data without depending on third-party platforms. This also increases control over their online identity and reputation from being misused or theft. Number 2, improve search and discovery. When using Semantic Web 3.0, learners and educators can find reliable and relevant information more easily and efficiently. This also reduces bias of information as well as enhance the digital literacy skills. Okay, what are the disadvantages? The first one is impact on students' learning. Students spend less time gathering info, but this one is a very important skill when we are doing research. Presenting students with information that already been there eliminates the students' critical thinking. So that's it from me. Thank you very much.
Web 3.0, also known as the Semantic Web, is the next generation of the Internet, characterized by a more intelligent and machine-understandable web. Semantic web technologies such as ontologies, linked data, and RDF, or Resource Description Framework, provide a way to represent and organize information in a way that is more meaningful to the computers. This has the potential to revolutionize the way we learn online. In order to realize the full potential of Web 3.0 learning tools, our recommendations would be: first, create linked data repositories. Linked data repositories are needed to store and share learning materials in a way that is machine understandable. This will make it possible for Web 3.0 learning tools to access and use the learning materials. Second is build intelligent tutoring systems. Intelligent tutoring systems need to be developed that can provide real-time feedback and adjust the difficulty of the learning materials accordingly. Last but not least, create online communities and forums. Online communities and forums need to be created where students can ask questions and share their ideas. This will facilitate knowledge sharing and collaboration. Web 3.0 learning tools and semantic web technologies have the potential to revolutionize online learning. By implementing the recommendations I have mentioned before, we can create a more personalized, adaptive, and intelligent learning experience for all students.